Good morning student. Today we start the third chapter of class 10th, pair of linear equation in two variables. Okay, so linear equation in two variables. Already you have studied in previous classes about the variable, the alphabets we use in algebraic expression x, y, z or a, b, c we call the variable. Okay, so an equation of the form, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form of the linear equation in two variable, where a, b and c are real numbers and both a and b are not zero. That is the condition a and b are not zero. That is the form of a square plus b square is not equal to 0. This is a linear equation, the standard form of the linear equation, or how to define the linear equation in two variable. An equation of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are what? Are the real numbers and both a and b are non-zero. That is the condition a square plus b square is not equal to 0. Now second, homogeneous linear equation. So an equation of the form ax plus by is equal to 0. This is the homogeneous linear equation where a and b are real values, are real numbers, and both a and b are not 0. Right? That's the solution of a linear equation. The solution of a linear equation is a pair of real values of x and y which makes the two sides of the equation equal. That is, it means suppose we are having one linear equation x plus 2y is equal to 4. We have to put the values for x and y in the left side of the equation so that when we solve, the left side is equal to the right side. Then whatever we put the values for x and y, that the values we call the solution of a linear equation. So the solution of a linear equation is a pair of real values of x and y which makes the two sides of the equation equal. Again I am explaining this by taking example. Consider linear equation x plus 2y is equal to 4. Okay. Now we have to put the values for x and y. Right? You can take any values. In this way, when we solve the left side should be equal to 4, or we can say left side is equal to right side. Then we say the values whatever we are taking for x and y are the solution of the linear equation, right? If we put x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 here in the left side, x is equal to 2 plus y is 1, what we get? 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, we get 4, that is right side. So left side is equal to right sides, so we can say x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 are the solution of this given linear equation in two variable. In fact, the linear equation may have more than one values, okay, more than one value, one solution, or infinitely many solution. Now next topic, graphical representation of linear equation. Actually you have to keep in your mind the graphical representation. It means when we represent linear equation on graph, it's always you get a straight line, right? So let me consider, so I am explaining this representation graphically by taking example. Always you have to remember you get a straight line. Suppose 2x plus y is equal to 4. I am taking one linear equation. Now some steps we have to follow. The first step, rewrite the equation, linear equation with y as a subject. That is y is equal to 4 minus 2x. You have to shift 2x to the right side, so it becomes y is equal to 4 minus 2x. Now second, select the suitable values of x and find the value of y corresponding to each value of x. make the table for the ordered pair. That is, you have to take a, first we make the table for x and y and select 3 suitable values. Okay, let me take the value. First, if we put x is equal to 0 here, so what we get when we solve 4 minus 2 into 0, we get 4, so value of y is equal to 4. If we put x is equal to 1 and solve, then y is equal to 2. If we put x is equal to 3 and solve, then y is equal to minus 2. In this way you can take more values. Okay, now fourth, draw x and y axis on the graph paper. And select scale for these axes. Now plot the 3 points on the graph. Let me plot the points on the graph. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 4. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 4. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. It means here 1 and to corresponding value 2. Okay. X is equal to 3. Again I am drawing the graph. Draw x and y axis on the graph paper and select scale for axes, these axes, right? Plot the 3 point on the graph. Now I am plotting here. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, and this is 0. Now when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 4. X 0, y is equal to 4 here. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. So corresponding values, x is equal to 3, y is equal to minus 2. X is equal to 3 or y is equal to minus 2. Somewhere here. Right? Now join any 2 point. Join any 2 point and cross check the third point lie on the same straight line, right? if you join any 2 points by a scale, by using a scale, so that you can get the third point always lie on the same straight line, right? So in this way you can plot the linear equation on the graph paper. Now next topic, pair of linear equation in two variables. Till now I explained linear equation two variable. Now I am explaining pair of linear equation two variable. It means more than one equation I am taking here. Okay, so the most general form of the linear equation. In two variables, that is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, where a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 are real numbers, and the condition a1 square plus b1 square is not equal to 0 and a2 square plus b2 square is not equal to 0, where a1, b1, c1, a2, b2 and c2 are real numbers, and a1 square plus b1 square is not equal to 0, a2 square plus b2 square is not equal to 0. Now next, the geometrical representation of a pair of linear equation in two variables. A pair of linear equation in two variable can graphically represented by two straight line, both to be considered together. Okay. Graphically, two straight lines, both to be considered together. So if both the straight line considered in the same plane, then only one of the following three possibilities can happen. Okay, if in the same plane, then only one of the following three possibilities can happen. What are the three possibilities? First, the two straight lines intersect at one point. The two lines intersect at one point. That is, if two lines intersect at one point, it means in this way, two lines intersecting at one point. Second, the two lines are parallel, that is, they are not intersecting to each other. In this way. Third, the two lines are coincident or they are overlap to each other. Likewise, it means if we draw, if we represent graphically the linear equation two variable, then we get only the three possibilities can happen. Only one of the following three possibilities can be happen. It may be intersect at one point, the line may be intersect at one point, or the lines are parallel, or the two lines are coincident. Right? Thank you, students.